How to fix Roblox application not installing. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix if Roblox is not installing in your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, check your device storage space. Make sure that you have enough storage in your device. If not, then the application will not get installed. So in that case, you can uninstall some other application that you do not use frequently. Then try to install the application again. And if that still does not help you, restart your device. That can be your phone or computer. Restarting your device will help clear temporary glitches. So press your power button, restart your device, and try to install the application again. If that still does not help you, then make sure that your device operating system is up to date. To update your system, you have to open up settings, scroll down, head over to system, and here tap on software update. And if any update is available, make sure to install them all. After that, go back and try to install the application again. If that still does not help you, check for your internet and compatibility. Make sure that you have strong or stable internet connection and also verify if your device supports Roblox or not. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.